Also working on additional support measures for vulnerable and affected sectors like the taxi industry. To give us more information on how the taxi industry will benefit from government's relief program during the coronavirus pandemic, we speak to the National Taxi Alliance spokesperson, Theo Malele. Theo, a very good morning to you. Has government met with the taxi associations yet?
Good morning to you and good morning to your viewers. Yes, certainly the Ministry of Transport has met with the National Taxi Alliance. This is after the National Taxi Alliance had actually put forth its challenges, and amongst other, the other challenges would be that of shortfall in revenue, which is as a result of social distancing. Yes, and currently the Office of the Minister and the leadership of the National Taxi Alliance are working on the modalities on how this will pan out. Yes, indeed, we have been consulted.
How will the stimulus package assist the taxi industry?
Well, obviously, like I said, that the modalities are being worked at and looked at. I wouldn't want to speculate on that currently, but safe to say that we have been successful in, collating data of all our members, and that should actually assist in the planning of, this funding, opportunity.
Are you able at least to give us a sense of what further assistance the industry needs from the banks?
Well, we need assistance not only from the banks, but also, from Corporate South Africa. One, let's do first with the banks. It will be that of, a blanket holiday payment like any other business, because we currently aren't, operating full steam, and we wouldn't be able to meet our monthly financial obligations. And as a result of, the COVID-19, lockdown. So we want to be given that reprieve as well. And then secondly, we would like, corporate to support us to ensure that we do not run short of, sanitizers, disinfectants, masks and gloves, because even though there may be, an upliftment gradually of, the lockdown, but we still have to maintain the servicing of our passengers to ensure that we do not, bring the resurgence of, coronavirus again. So we need that kind of support, and also to ensure that our ranking facilities become habitable hubs and no longer the concrete jungles that are urine-rich, so that we usher our people in a much, habitable space.
So the issue of hand sanitizers is also there. Will this relief effort assist in any way?
Yes, it will. It will help a great deal because we still have to cover, the taxi industry's routes throughout the 9 provinces of the country.
Yeah.
Although we have been, getting in supply for other provinces, but we can always welcome more supply so that we have, sufficient stocks because we cannot afford to run short of sanitizers and disinfectants. That would actually be perilous.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us this morning. We hope to speak to you again for updates as these consultations continue.
All right, certainly.
Theo Malele is the national spokesperson for the National Taxi Alliance.